Excellent. The third time I live in Thai Pura. I like here because so quiet, the nice Thai style, and the nice staff, they so helpful, and kindly, smile so sweet, make me feel good. Excellent hotel, very clean and tidy, nice small hotel with small pool, very clean and comfortable, helpful staff. You will need motorbike or taxi. Good, choose high value. Good value, good. Spotlessly clean. Friendly staff, peaceful yet only a short distance to central Pattaya. Stayed for a week and was not disappointed. Everything as it should be in a quiet location but only a ride away from the hustle and bustle that is Pattaya. Thai Pura, for me, the perfect place to stay. Excellent, good size clean room with large balcony overlooking a good size pool with palm trees and sun loungers, just like being in paradise without the sand. Excellent quiet location and not too far from the busy side of the city. All in all, a perfect place to stay in Pattaya. Quiet, budget, clean, my best hotel at Pattaya. Everything is good but my room's drainage system in the shower room is very slow. Very friendly and good value for money, everything very good. Hotel contacted us immediately after we forgot our Kindle and sent it to us by mail. Best hotel at Pattaya. Everything is perfect except the toilet cannot flush properly, but after inform the staff they immediately come and change the room from superior, first floor, to deluxe, second floor, without any hesitation. They also apologize for inconvenience overwhelmingly. Though pool is as clean as it used to be. I'm going to stay here every single time I go to Pattaya with no doubt. The best hotel ever. The room is very clean. Staff is very friendly and helpful. Check-in and check-out takes just few minutes. Swimming pool is not very large but very nice and always clean. Breakfast has variety of dishes to be chose from. The only thing to be noticed is the location of hotel is a bit hard to find on map. Clean, quiet and clean place. They change towels and clean the room every day. Nice small swimming pool. Staff are friendly. Good place to stay, very friendly staff and very clean rooms, etc. Very good, very comfortable rooms and very quiet location. Staff are very friendly and helpful. Good and quiet place, new large rooms, clean with beautiful design. Excellent service, responsible for helping her best reception. A quiet place, away from the noise and bustle. There is sufficient enough pool. Attractive price. The place is about 10 minutes walk from the main road where public transport. Near the hotel, there is a supermarket and other stores. Large refrigerator in the room. Excellent Wi-Fi in the room. Good staff, very sincere staff. Room is clean and environment is good. Location is a little bit isolated from main street, but convenience store is round the corner. Wi-Fi speed is fast but ID is 1 to device, and have to re-log in every time device is activated. Nice hotel, safe and with a great staff, loved it. Far away from the noise of Pattaya, still just a 5 minutes ride on a bath bus, superior security and staff. I'll be back. Lovely hotel and service with a smile-friendly staff. Quiet location with nice pool area. Great hideaway. It was our second time we stayed in Nakliua area. Even though the hotel is not very close to the beach, but it is very convenient to get there. The room is spacious and clean. We like the atmosphere of the hotel, that it is quiet and feel very private. The place looks new and functional. The parking is also available with a nice security guard. Clean, quiet, and not bad location. Clean, quiet, and not bad location. But a little disappointed there was no elevator for handicap. Got to walk up to top floor using cane. Otherwise good stay. Quiet, comfy, kind employees. The pool is amazingly clean and beautiful.